Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with a brand new video, man. Shout out to everybody who's been showing love down below in the channel, man. Shout out to everybody who's been showing love in the video, boy. I just want to thank y'all because, man, the more I continue to make this dope content, the positive feedback I'm getting is keeping me pushing in the right direction. So thank y'all once again. Now, if y'all did not know, man, the Yeezy Wave Runner 700s are dropping again. It's another restock. So I think this is like the third one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, they're restocking Saturday. I want to know who out there is going for your pair. I remember when these first dropped, bro, nobody wanted them. Like, to the point where they sat online almost like the 500 utility blacks, bro. They were there hours after the release date. And then it was like, after they were all gone, everybody kind of regretted not getting a pair. The thing is with these, I think they retail for like $300. So when you get a shoe that retails for $300 and the resale might not be there, a lot of people are hesitant on picking up the shoe. You gotta think, if you pay $300 for a shoe and you think you're only gonna get $350 for it, you're not really gonna put your money into it. And that was basically the problem for the Yeezy 700s. Nobody knew if they had resale value. It was the first model. It's the only model of the 700s. Anyways, there is new models of the Yeezy 700s coming out, but as of now, the only one that we were able to get our hands on is this Wave Runner 700s, and I want to know, are you guys going for them? As of lately, I've been going on my Instagram live a lot, so if you do not have your notification bell set them, because I go on live all the time, kick it with y'all, laugh with y'all, and today the comments was full of, are you copping the Yeezy 700s? So I decided to drop this video. Y'all already know, boy, we're going on. Your boy got those Yeezy 700s, you feel me? And the thing with the 700s is mine are still DS. I have the pair that dropped, the most recent pair. So this is not the pair that dropped Saturday. I just have mine still left over from the second drop. They still DS. I have not worn them. They've been in my containers, looking good, smelling good. Knock on wood. Y'all know I gotta keep my 700s clean and on deck, man. I've been waiting for a perfect time to rock them, and right now is about that time. Hit me. What's going on, boy? These are the Yeezy Wave Runner 700s, and I know every parent that's watching this channel, every old head that's watching this channel, y'all like, man, you crazy for spending $300 on these pair of shoes, man. But as sneaker collectors like myself, sometimes you go for stuff that look different. Sometimes you go for stuff that stands out. As y'all can see, I have a lot of sneakers in here, and this one looks nothing like anything behind me. That alone is a reason for me to buy it in itself. Right now, I think the shoe on StockX is going for about $600 in my size, or at least it was. I haven't checked it since they had a exact date for the restock, but these were even up to like $650 at one point in time. These do have boost. I know a lot of the newer models, like the 500s, like these right here, they don't have the boost in them, even though I think these are like the most comfortable shoe I own. Any of the 500s, they super comfortable, but these do have the boost in them. I don't know how comfortable these are though. That's the other question people would ask me, how comfortable are these? I have no idea. I've never worn them. They still DS on dog, you know what I'm saying? I think the reason why I never wore them yet is, honestly, bro, I really haven't thought of something for me to pull them off. Everybody I seen rock this shoe, I ain't never seen nobody like kill this shoe, you know what I'm saying? Probably like 2 or 3 people I seen kill this shoe with an outfit. It's kind of tough to throw something with, but I'm gonna figure out something though. I might rock it to SneakerCon Atlanta. Which brings me to my next point. If anybody is gonna be at SneakerCon ATL, I will be there, and that's on dog. I will be there from start to finish, both days, at least I'm gonna try to be, and I wanna meet, dap up, shake hands, take pics, record, put y'all in the vlog, as many people as I possibly can. SneakerCon Atlanta, I believe, is either October 26th through the 27th, or is it 27th through the 28th? I'm not sure, but it's one of those 3 days. It's a 2-day event. Last year was like one of the best events I think that they've ever came out with. Every time it comes to Atlanta, it's crazy. So if you are wondering, or if you were thinking about which one to go to, trust me, Atlanta, everybody gonna be there that you want to see. Back to these 700s, man. Let me know down below in the comment section how y'all feeling about these Wave Runners. I've already been on the line saying that I like them back when everybody hated them. It seemed like everybody want them now. Everybody want them, and I'm hearing they are going to be limited. So if you're not waking up on time, or you feel me, if you're not doing your due diligence, you're not going to be able to get a pair. Yeezy Supply, to me, is the easiest way to get Yeezys. Adidas.com is, nah, you know what I'm saying? Yeezy Supply. I hit damn near every time on Yeezy Supply. I wear size 12. Your size kind of got a lot to do with if you're gonna hit or not, because it got a lot to do with how many pairs you're gonna have in each size. Smaller shoes like 9, 9.5, 8, 8.5, it's usually 5,000 more pair of shoes in your size than a size 12 because it takes a lot more material to make. But if any of y'all are looking for the shoe, Yeezy Supply is the best bet. Now, to be honest, the only bad thing about Yeezy Supply is gonna take about 6 to 7 months to get to your damn house. Yeezy Supply is known for being like super late on releases unless you live in LA. The store is out in LA, they ship them off, and it feel like Kim Kardashian is shipping these damn shoes off herself. It's super late, bro. It takes all day, all month. I remember when I got, where they at, bro? They around here somewhere. What the hell? Here they go, right here, okay? These Super Moon Yellow Yeezys. I wore these for like 8 days in a row. I bought these the day I went out to SneakerCon in Chicago, and they came in like a month later, bro. Like, I paid for the shoe, for the shipping, tracking, and it came a month later. Nike, if you pay for your shoe on Friday, Saturday, you get them joints on Tuesday. I got these a month later. That's terrible. So if y'all want to go Yeezy Supply, I don't blame you. You know what I'm saying? Because you got a good chance of getting a shoe. But for me as a YouTuber, if I can't get this shoe out fast, if I can't get this shoe out on time, it's going to hurt because y'all already seen about 50, 70 different reviews. So I got to get these out quick. You know what I'm saying? I got to bust these out on dog. Last but not least, man, I have made a huge investment. I just paid a crazy amount of money for my laptop. I just got a new laptop, and with that being said, I'm gonna have to take a break from buying shoes for at least about a week or two, but don't worry because the content is still coming. I might cop some stuff here and there. The Court Purple Jordan 1s are fire. The Pine Jordan 1s are fire. Then I'm hearing they restocking on the cream Yeezys that they call in triple white. It's so much stuff coming out, man. It's gonna be hard to kind of prioritize my money with so much stuff dropping at the same time, but I got to, man. It's an investment. Like, I invested the laptop for the channel for me to be able to get these videos out a lot faster. My last computer was exporting videos. It took like 7-8 hours. This one super fast, speed is A1, so I'm able to get them joints out to you ASAP. So stay on the lookout for content. Like I said, it's a few pairs that I am gonna pick up. I just can't pass on, but if it's not like an immediate cop, if it's just something I know I can get later on down the line, like international 12s, international 5s, stuff like that I know is gonna be basically outlet soon, I'm gonna probably pass on those. But for my people out there who trying to get these this upcoming weekend, man, just make sure you on your P's and Q's. Make sure you do everything in your power to get them, man, because like I said, it will be a limited release. If you guys already don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, man, it is down below in your left hand corner. Like I said, I go on live on Instagram, I go on live on YouTube. I comment back to everybody on Instagram and Twitter. Twitter is super fun. Like, I'm starting to like Twitter a lot. Anyways, man, I appreciate y'all for stopping in. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I got my 700s. Let me know if y'all gonna get y'all's. And until next time, I will catch up with y'all. Gang gang.